All right, guys. So we are going to move on to that question right now. So this is the diagram which was given to you in the question, right? Now, what I want Dilruba to unmute yourself and tell me what is given to you in the question. What is some information which is told to you that you can accept as the truth? Dilruba, take your response. Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. This is given to us in the question, right? Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. All right. Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Okay, this is something which we have to prove. So I'm going to write to prove as it is, and this thing I can write as given, right? This is given to me. Okay, because it is given, I can make this marking in my answer diagram, right? This is equal to this. So I'm making that marking in the answer diagram. And even this whole thing, angle PQS is equal to PRT, like we did in our last question, in the vertically opposite angles theorem, we can also mark this as something else. So I can write this here, and I could write here this as angle A, B, C, D. All right, that will make it easier to write, but this is not the exact way to do it. Okay, not the exact way to label angles, but we can use it for our convenience. And finally, when I reach the uh, end of the answer, I can actually go back to this, what is given to me in the question. Okay, so I can reach the answer, A is equal to D, I can reach, and finally I can write A is this, so PQR PRT. Okay, Riza, what do you think should be our starting approach? Go ahead, unmute yourself and speak.
Sir, we have existing knowledge, sir, that angle C and D form linear pair axiom, sir,
Angle C and D form linear pair. Okay,
and angle A and B form linear pair axiom, sir.
C plus angle D form linear 180 degree. That is linear pair axiom. And angle A, also we have angle A plus angle B forms 180 degree. That is linear pair axiom. Great, Riza. Now, how do I use these two pieces of information? How do I use these two knowledge pieces that I have? What? So what? My aim is that I have to prove what? Can you tell me in A and B terms what do I have to prove? I have to prove this is nothing but angle A is equal to angle D. This is what I have to prove, right? Okay, angle A
Sir,
is equal to angle D is what I have to prove. Yes, tell me.
sir, and we can use our logic, sir. Like we'll keep angle D on left hand side, sir. We'll take angle C that side, sir.
Okay, so angle D is equal to 180 degree minus angle C. That's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me mark this as equation 1. Okay, now what comes next? Go ahead. Anyone wants to speak, wants to help Riza, can actually raise their hands. I'll come to you. Riza has given me a very interesting starting point. Okay, who was raising their hand? Dinesh. Yeah, go ahead, Dinesh. What?
Sir, in the second equation, sir,
Mhm.
we can take B to
This
the
one you
other
mean?
side, sir.
You mean this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me what to do.
Then angle A is equal to
Hmm.
180 minus angle B.
180 degree minus angle B. Okay. Still, what do I need to do? Something I need to do more before I can say angle D and angle A are equal. There is one part of logic which is missing here. Come on, Dinesh, tell me
Sir,
what.
that angle A is equals to 180 degree minus angle B is equation 2, sir. Mark it as
Okay. You want me to mark this as equation?
equation 2, mark it as
Okay, done.
angle A is equals to 180 degree minus angle B, sir.
Okay, done. I'll give you guys a couple of minutes to think. Anyone wants to raise their hands? There is one. I want to point out that you're not using everything that is given to you. Think of what all is given to you. Something extra is given to you. Maybe think about that. Yes, I'll go to Deepak. Deepak, you can unmute and speak. Yes. Tell Deepak.
In this question we have two equation, no, sir. So can we do substitution, sir?
Very good, Deepak. What do you want to substitute with what, Deepak? Tell me that. Riza. Tell Riza.
Yes, sir. Sir, here they have given that angle B and angle C are equal, no, sir?
Very good point, Riza. Continue.
So then, if we they both are equal, sir. So then we can make angle C. We can write it as angle C is also like angle B only, sir.
Perfect, Riza. Okay.
Then for the statement and reason, we'll have one same variable, sir, and it will be easy, sir.
Very good, Riza. So this particular angle B, if I write it as angle C, okay, instead of angle B, I can write angle C. I want you to note that what is given in the question, PQR is nothing but angle B and PRQ is nothing but angle C, okay. So angle B and angle C are equal. It is given to me, it is told to me by the person who has framed the question. So I don't need to question that. That is something I can assume, right? And that is also a part of my existing knowledge. Very well pointed out. Even MG had told this to me in chat. I don't know why he did not want to speak to others. So angle, what happens here is this equation, instead of equation, so equation 2 changes to is equal to 180 degree minus angle C. All right. Actually, I don't want to write this thing as equation 2. Let this one be called what is happening? Okay, so I'm going to call this thing as equation 2. All right. Now do you, is there something, how did I get from here to here? So what's the reason of me substituting angle B with angle C? I need to write the reason, right? Anyone wants to tell me what will be my reason? It's a very simple thing. What is the reason for this? How can I substitute, replace angle B with angle C? And the simple thing which you write here is angle B is equal to angle C is given. That's your reason. Okay. It's a truth that we have accepted because it is given in the question. All right. Now I want to reach this point, right? I want to reach, this is my goal. Angle A is equal to angle D. That's my goal, right? This is my two proof statement. Now I want you to think and tell me, from whatever I've done so far here, what should I be doing next to reach here? Mansa.
Sir, D is equals to 180 degree minus C, no, sir?
Okay.
Angle C. So even angle A is equals to 180 degree minus angle C.
Very good.
So if for D, if we do 180 degree minus angle C, we will get D, sir. The same thing if we do for the same, we will get A, angle A, sir.
Perfect. So basically, this statement here, your statement 1, or the equation 1, and this thing here, your equation 2, has the same RHS, right? Now that, yes, Deepak, you want to say, how do I write this thing now? How will I write this thing? Mansa, you're correct? Yes, Deepak.
So from equation 1 and we can say that angle A is equal to angle D.
That's all. Okay, guys. From equation 1 and 2, angle A is equal to angle D, और कुछ नहीं करना है. And therefore, in place of angle A, you can write its real name, PQS. Angle PQS is equal to, the real name of angle D is angle PRT, and thus, so this is proved now. because we have reached this place where we were supposed to reach according to the question. Okay, we were supposed to reach here according to the question, and here we have reached right now, and that is why we can say that we have proved this whole thing. All right.